Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix can't add Apple on Apple Pay wallet a card. So when you cannot add it, something is wrong. So first of all, you want to check, you want to try to add it, of course. So you click the plus sign here on the wallet and then you choose a card, so for example credit or debit card. You choose from the cards, continue. You can either scan it or enter card details manually, so make sure that you are writing everything correctly. But the main issue almost always is that your card is in different region than your phone is. So to check this, all you have to do is go to your settings, go on general, and then on language and region. Here on that language and region, you want to check if you are in the correct region and your card is also. So this is one way how you can fix this. So yeah, guys, when you will fix the region, try to enter the card manually, correct expiration dates and so on. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.